The song captures the protagonist's love with a beautiful melody and heartfelt lyrics. The song's soothing rhythm and captivating notes make it a joy to play and a perfect piece to practice. Learning this melody on the piano not only enhances your skills but also allows you to immerse yourself in its emotional depth and beauty. It's an ideal piece to experience the harmony of music and develop a love for playing the piano. Before diving into the melody, it's a great idea to practice the E major scale. This scale forms the foundation of the song, helping you familiarize yourself with its keynotes and patterns. By mastering the E major scale, you'll gain better finger control and confidence, making it easier to play the melody smoothly. It's an essential step for beginners to connect with the song's flow and enjoy its beautiful harmony on the piano.
Sagariga risa ni sagariga risa sagariga risa ni saripa mapaga sagariga risa ni sagariga risa sagariga risa ni saripa padama gapaga. Sa sa pa 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 ma pa 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 ma ma pa ma ga. Sa sa pa 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 ma pa 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 ma ma pa ma ga. Mama pa ma ga ri ga sa mama pa ma ga ri ga sa mama pa ma ga ri ga sa sa ri ga ri sa ni sa. Sa 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 ri ga ga ri pa ga ri sa ni 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 dha ni dha pa ma pa ma ga. Sa 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 ri ga ga ri pa ga ri sa ni ni dha ni dha pa ma pa ma ga.
We hope you loved exploring this musical piece and are inspired to keep your piano journey alive and thriving. Try playing the melody yourself, and if you have any questions or need guidance, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you're always in tune with our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more exciting tutorials coming your way.